Look at that black girl, look at that black girl.
So the wig that I have for you all today is from ReadyWig. They gave me a wig cap along with their card, and it's so gorgeous, guys. Like, I told them I wanted an orange unit, and it just looks so good. They have 2 combs in the top and then 1 comb at the bottom. And yeah, the way it feels is so silky, but the length on it is really nice. So what I decided to do was actually cut the unit. I love the length on it, but I just felt like to give it more of a realistic look, I layered it a little bit more. So that's what you'll see me do in this clip, and then we'll go ahead and talk about it after. I ain't cut the lace off or anything, but I just cut the unit to give it like some type of body and volume. And baby, okay guys, so this is like the final look. So after I cut it and everything, I went in and did the baby hairs. This is like my 5th attempt doing this because I recorded this so many times. Like, you all do not understand. I just want to make sure I got it right for you girls, and now I'm satisfied. So this is the final look. I cut the hair into layers. As far as tangles or like shedding, I'm not getting that much, only like a little bit, and mainly because I cut the hair as well. Now, as far as my baby hairs, all I really used, of course, was the Got To Be glue, and then I used the Got To Be hold spray. So those 2 combined I use to lay down the front. I get a lot of questions asked, can you use the same products as I do in all my other videos with synthetic units? Of course you can. You can use Got To Be glue to lay down the baby hairs. It will work the same way and will last the same way. Actually, I feel like it will last a little bit longer for some reason, just because like of how stiff it is. I don't know. But overall, I'm very pleased with this look. I'm pleased with the color on this unit. Like, do you see it, baby? Do you see it? Boom. Okay. Definitely see this more or less being a wig on vacation if you need to like try different colors out and you really don't know exactly what you would like. ReadyWig have so many colors for you guys to try in a variety of styles that will be perfect for you. So I would definitely suggest to try that out. Like, the volume on this wig after I cut it is ridiculous. Do you all see this? Do you all see this? This is definitely like a boom in your face type of wig. So if you want to be bold and you like, baby, it's my time to shine, then this is that wig for you, honey. First, I didn't know really what to do with it. That's why it took me so long to upload this video. I really want to make sure it was right and to my liking. And now I can finally say I really like this wig. And ReadyWig is such a great company. It only took me a week to get the hair. It didn't take long at all. Shipping was great. I'm going to put the price right here. That way you'll be able to slay too, boo. You know, I have everything in the description box below, so you'll be able to get it yourself. The only thing I can say is with the shine, that might be an issue for you. So it's ways around it though. You can use dry shampoo and that will take away some of the shine. But that is pretty much all I have on this unit here. I'm thankful ReadyWig chose me to try this wig on and bring it to you girls today. So if you like it, please give this a thumbs up. Also, like I said, I have a lot of great things coming for you guys, so please stay tuned. So thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate all of you guys. I love talking to you all, and I will see you all very soon. Please make sure to continue to be the best you that you can be, and I will see you guys very soon.